Hello, today we have Chevrolet Volt and I thinking to install a rear fog light switch. I decided to put this button here. And here I make a hole and now I'm gonna connect this control unit. Customer bring it himself. I don't know where he get this one. And we think where to find ground. After I make one cable in back with red color bulb. I'm gonna mount it here and it will be reverse and fog light. So like this. Here we little bit connect some cables. Down there I have made one cable from inside in motor room. Here we get this cable. I'm gonna connect to lights and we're gonna see how it works after. Here we little bit connect some cables. Down there I have made one cable from inside in motor room. Here we get this cable. I'm gonna connect to lights and we're gonna see how it works after. Now I have connected here. I take from main beam signal cable and this goes inside somewhere there in the corner. I must take out this air filter because it was no place for hand. Now I have installed lamp in this. I have connected, make it inside cable. It was a little too short cable, so I make extension. Now I'm gonna solder, and here is switch. Turn on lights. Turn on. It's coming yellow color. Turn off. It's off. On. Gonna go check. It's lightning. It's a little sunny, but it's lightning. So almost finished. Just put this plastic back, take all tools and finish.